Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML versus XHTML. And right now we'll be discussing about XHTML elements must always be closed. In XHTML in XHTML elements must always be closed like this. As you can see, we are having our opening and closing tag, our opening and closing tag of the p tag here. Inside it we are having our text. The same thing, opening and closing p tag. Inside it we are having our text. But if you mistakenly omit the p tag, it's going to give you an error. So as you can see here, this p tag is not having closing tag. The same current one also not having closing tag. Now let me show you how it works. Let's say for instance now, this is what we have in our previous tutorial. You can check our previous tutorial where we discuss about this the way you can write this thing neatly way. We discussed about the nested, the way you can nest your elements in a reasonable way. So you can check our previous tutorial on XHTML versus in our tutorial on HTML versus XHTML. So don't you forget HTML versus XHTML playlist. You can check it. You're going to find all this tutorial I'm doing right here. So I want to do something new right here, which is having our p tag without the closing p tag, which whereas if we do something like, let's say for instance, let's say this, now we're having our p tag right here and we're having content inside it. Let's save our document. Let me remove this one so it's to make you look somehow. So let's reload our document. Our document is looking nice right now. As you can see, this is our p tag. But now let's now say for instance now we remove this p tag. I'm going to see what will happen. Let's reload our document. Can you see we are having error? And in our previous tutorial I discussed about this place, that this is where you're supposed to look first quickly to know what is the main thing that is causing the error. This is the p element is the one that is causing error for now, and this line may be correct and may not be correct. That I told you earlier in our nested tutorial on HTML versus XHTML tutorial. You are going to understand it now. So let's get back to our document to see what is going on. First, let's check line 13, line number 13. Let's check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. As you can see, here is not where the problem comes from. That's why I told you earlier in our previous tutorial that this place may not be correct sometimes when you are seeing this number, but the place where the error can come from, you can, when you check here, you are going to see it easily, quickly. As you can see, is the p tag. The p tag is not having the closing p tag. So that is what the problem, that's where the problem comes. As you can see, our closing tag is omitted. So now when we place it back, we place it back and reload our document, can you see our document is all right now? So as you can see, when we remove it, let me remove it again, so you can see, can you see when I bring it back, you're going to see it's working nice again. Even if it's h1, any tag that's supposed to be closed that you don't close, it's going to give you the error. Can you see h1 problem? So, and if you bring it back, let's save our document quickly. Can you see it's working nicely? So this is what I want to show you right now. You're always be closed. Your element must always be closed when you are writing XHTML documents. So, and what akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you.